Hello everyone. Today we started the preparation courses for 2026 and 2027 academic year. And we started this preparation in three groups. One of them is our Turkish teachers. Our Turkish teachers from all around the Kyrgyzstan, all of our teachers have come together and they started talking about the academic content, the books and the curriculum of the year. And they also will be able to share the good examples that they did in their schools, and they'll be sharing their knowledge and experience together. And in the second group that we start is our psychologists. The psychologists have started working together and they will be working with how to deal with the cases and how to do good examples together and how to share their experience to each other. And the third group is really important for us, and it's a new group that we started. This is an IM curriculum trainings. IM is an international Ma'arif curriculum, and this is the first year that we will start in Kyrgyzstan. Our trainers from Turkey have arrived for these three groups, and they will be working closely with our teachers and experience and deliver their experiences, and they'll deliver their information to the teachers. We are very happy to start these three programs in our schools, and I'm sure that it's going to be a very successful program for all of us. Thank you.